Introducing the powerhouse of the Pacific Northwest, the 2026 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive SuperCrew. This exceptional pickup features a commanding 157-inch wheelbase and is driven by the legendary 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, seamlessly paired with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission. Dressed in a clean Oxford white exterior with a refined black sport cloth interior, this XLT series is engineered for those who demand more from their vehicle. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you're heading out for a morning of fishing at the Vetter River or navigating the back roads of Sumas Mountain, this F-150 is built to conquer the local landscape. The XLT Black Appearance Package makes a bold statement with 18-inch gloss black wheels, while the Bedliner Tough Bed Spray-In ensures your cargo area is ready for any challenge the valley throws at it. Inside, the cabin is a hub of advanced technology, featuring a massive 12-inch center display and a matching 12-inch cluster display. Stay perfectly comfortable with dual-zone electronic air conditioning and connected via the onboard 5G modem. Safety is integrated into every mile with the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with autonomous emergency braking. A common question we hear is this truck properly equipped for serious towing and hauling right from the dealership? Looking strictly at the window sticker data, the answer is a resounding yes. This F-150 comes factory-equipped with the tow haul package, including an integrated trailer brake controller and a 355 electronic locking axle, providing the precision and power necessary for your heaviest trailers. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.